In this video, I will show you how to install the Dynaneo front locking devices, as well as how to drill in the rear hook-in device using the appropriate drilling jig. Our combination drilling jig covers all of the common drilling patterns used with our front locking devices. This means that the drilling jig is suitable for use with both our Dynaneo and our Dynapro products. To start with, we drill the hole on the back of the drawer. This hole that we have drilled is then going to be used for mounting the hook to the drawer. To do this, position the template on the back and drill at a depth of 10 mm with a 6 mm drill bit. For the best results, use a depth stop. With the same template, we are also able to drill the holes that will be used for mounting the fastenings that we need for the front locking devices. For drawers without a front, place the drilling jig at the front and then drill the corresponding holes using the center drill bit. Here's a little tip from me. I always take the appropriate front locking device and place it on the drilling jig. This means that I can see which holes I need to drill. Carefully position the center drill bit and drill the holes. Then do the same on the other side. If you have already installed a front, you can simply turn the drilling jig around and drill the holes that way. With the appropriate 3.5 by 20 mm screws, we can now install the front locking device. Also, make sure that the front locking device is really flush here at the front and does not stick out. There are two variants of the front locking device. A one-dimensional front locking device for height adjustment, and we also have a second variant in our range. This one has two adjustment options, one for adjusting the sides and one for adjusting the height. And yes, after just a few steps, the holes that you can require be drilled and the front locking devices can be installed in a quick and easy fashion. You will find further useful information and links to our products in the description for this video. This includes the installation instructions and the article number for our drilling jig. If you have questions about this product or others, then write them in the comments below. Subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell. I wish you all the best and hope you enjoy carrying out your projects.